Hi.
Hey.
I'm Angie.
I'm Ryan.
And we're
Happy Healthy Vegan.
So where are we headed to?
We're just do a quick little road trip here. We've been working hard all week, and we're gonna just take a little jaunt out, have a little lunch, have a little surf down in Laguna Beach.
Yes, you have been releasing a lot of videos.
Yes, I think 3 this week.
And people have been asking about me, so I'll do my best.
All right, let's go have some eats and some fun, hopefully.
Nice.
Walking these lonely streets alone, can't find nobody to call my own. Thinking of you, wondering where you've gone. I'm wishing we could be together. Memories fading, still they linger on. I'm watching the sunset, dreaming of the dawn. When all of us past, though not forgotten. I'm wishing we could be together. We could be together.
So we're at Active Culture. It has been many years, actually, I think, since we've come here.
Yeah. Now, if you've seen we're driving here, we're thinking, didn't we just make a vlog about Laguna Beach maybe in the past year or so? And it's gonna be a little different because we're eating somewhere, like we said, totally different from last time. We were debating where to eat today. We usually go to the natural food stand, and we remembered Active Culture, which is literally like 2 blocks away. And yeah, we looked on the menu. They have some great vegan options here. Ones I don't even remember trying, so I'm really looking forward to checking some new food out.
Brian's chatty today. The last time we were here is the day that I filmed the footage that became the Spinning Circles music video.
Yeah.
Well, you know, a lot of the music.
The beach shots.
Yeah, there's like all these spinning parasols because we just randomly happened to be here on a day when someone was doing like, how would you, it's kind of like an installation art of a kind. So
a famous international artist
Yeah.
does a public art thing.
So anyways, today will be completely different from that too. I've never had this before. It's called the Java Joy. Let's check it out. All right, so here we go. Delicious. Call me basic, but I got an avocado toast.
No, you're just a millennial.
I've never had it here, so this will be different. I think those are mustard seeds on top and salt flakes. Looks pretty good. And what'd you get?
A lentil wrap.
Oh, spin that around. We always get the chili here, and I think I've had the garden bagel. This is gonna be different.
Yeah, brand new experience for us here.
Whoop, whoop.
We're doing a little California vegan adventure here.
Oh my gosh, it's like the olden days.
All right, it's gonna take a second.
Yeah, you gotta prepare all that. All right, you gonna go for it?
All right, let's check this out. New dish for Ryan. Just very, very healthy, very
Yeah.
refreshing.
That's what this place is known for.
It's like kind of an old school, like hippie vegan recipe, but it's kind of
Yeah.
presented in a nice, clean, modern way.
Cool. Well, enjoy. All right, let's take a bite. Pretty good. Pretty good. I didn't tell you guys. I was obsessed with the avocado toast at our local coffee house, and they canceled it. They changed the menu, and they do not have avocado toast anymore. So I've been craving avocado toast.
So how does this compare? Is it as good as old?
No, it's very different.
Yeah.
I like the one from my old one, but I'm not sad I ordered this. The crunchy little mustard seeds on top are unique, and the bread's really nice.
We could be together.
Wow, we haven't been down here in years.
Yeah.
Like
I think we made that Check Your Diet video down here.
yeah, like 2013 or 14.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Pretty microscopic. I'm just kind of checking out who's out right now. It's pretty flat. I'm not sure what to think.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a children's waiting pool in here.
Yeah.
Everywhere I go, I still search for you. Hunting all the places that we once knew. Even though it's hard, it's all I can do. Never find another love that's half as true. We could be together. We could be together.
So you gotta work out, huh?
Yeah, 576 calories in like an hour and like 10, 15 minutes or something out there paddling around. So yeah, my shoulders are feeling it. They're like on fire right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's you got to really paddle a lot harder on a short board. I mean, it's still longboarding. I've been longboarding like 20 years. So much easier to catch waves. And I've been trying to transition, learn how to ride a shorter board here. Yeah, I'm just trying to make the tweaks to be able to ride this board more effectively.
Well,
It's the process. Yeah, not too many people take that up at age 55. Usually their shortboarders are transitioning to longboards like in their 30s and 40s.
Thank you.
I think it's time to go. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Between being hot, in my case, like burning shoulders and a bit tired. Yeah, we've had a pretty packed little afternoon here. This is exactly what I had in mind. Just a little escape from like the, everyday of home.
Yeah. Less than a day trip.
Yeah, a little quick afternoon fun. So hopefully we'll be doing some more of these now that I'm getting back into surfing and trying to, like I said, become a better shortboarder so we can do more of these trips with the board in the trunk.
Well, I'm excited about the UV index being a little lower too, because my pale skin does not do well in summer sun.
Yeah, protect yourself, guys.
Yeah.
So anyway, let us know if you enjoy seeing a vlog like this, because we haven't made one in quite a while. And
I know.
These are fun to make. These are chill, nothing's bad, nothing bad's happening. There's no Piers Morgan or anything. It's all cool.
Yeah. All right. So yeah, a lot of people are coming, so I think we're gonna sign out. Like it if you're into it.
Subscribe, join our channel, become a channel member, and until next time, remember, it doesn't suck being vegan.
It doesn't.
Smile.
Of course, it's gotta be gotta make a backing up sound right now. I was always like that.
All right, he's going away.